Okay, hello. Today I have Tobias Teska with me, who is the developer for the MS Teams integration, and we I want to show you the functionality in Microsoft Teams and with our .4 RIA. Yeah.
Hi, Bent.
Hi, Tobias. Yeah, I always forget. Yes. Maybe, Tobias, you can talk a little bit how we can integrate this functionality in Microsoft Teams. What do we have to do?
Yes. So first of all, we are using the Microsoft Bot Framework, which is a library, and this is available in many programming languages. So you can take the one that you are familiar with. And if you choose this one, you can automatically connect to Microsoft Teams. So I mean, with automatically the authentication is done for you and things like that. And you also get an ID for your bot when you developed it. And this ID can just be pasted into your search field on the top of your Microsoft Teams client, and then you get the answers from your bot. Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds very easy. And of course, we have to have a .4 system to the bot, and then it's working. And what you have seen talk like we have done that in our demo sessions already, but new functionality, or let's say functionality which makes it much more easy to use the bot. We have here just ask for help, and then RIA is offering some options, and these buttons you have here are very cool when you have MS Teams on the iPhone or on any mobile device, because it's very handy that you don't need to type in something. You just can press that button. So for example, here I report a fault. You see some options. These options are configurable, and we can use here, for example, the forgotten password, and then I say I need a new password for POO, which is an SAP system, and just click that, and it's asking if we want to start a ticket or a board. In this case, we start the ticket, and then this new ticket is available in our ticket system. And you can, of course, have other options like close the ticket and so on and so on. So with these buttons, it's very easy to work with a mobile device and, of course, here. And what I want to talk with Tobias also here is we have done all this bot configuration in German. And now I'm talking here with RIA in English, and you can configure that on your user. And maybe, Tobias, you will tell us how this is done.
Yes, so you can configure the language in the .4 system, and if the bot realizes the user, it loads the language, and all sentences which are configured in the bot go through an automatic translation. And at the moment we are using the translation service from Microsoft, and that's how it goes. And it's really quick. And
and what's very cool is that you can do that for 89 languages, which means we can have Mandarin, Chinese, Japanese, and all these languages all over the world. Just needs to be translatable with Microsoft artificial intelligence. And of course, you can also configure the bot completely in another language, and then we translate vice versa. That's all possible. but I find it really fascinating how good the translation is and how good this really works. And again,
you can also put in another language now, and it has also an automatic language detection. So if you write it in French, for example.
French, for example, I can only speak French.
Ah.
Let's say, what would I write here? I don't know.
J'ai un problème.
Huh?
J'ai un problème.
J'ai
Aha.
problem.
Oui.
Yeah, and you see now directly he knows that I have a problem and or want to open a ticket, and then you can see, for example, here server unreachable, and then server is with a demo. And then you see here I can start this ticket also. Yeah, so that's basically how it works, and it's really cool that the user can write in any language. We translate it to the correct language that we need for the bot, but the bot is answering in the language you have configured for the user. So you can have different users will have different languages with the bot. Yeah, so that's basically what we wanted you to show. And Tobias, any more comments on the technique?
Yes, we are also testing some translation services, and for example, from Google. And another thing which we are working on is an on-premise version from the bot. So at the moment, Microsoft Bot Framework is only available in the cloud. But if you need the bot on-premise, maybe we can give a solution too in the near future. Yeah,
so the on-premise solution for the bot will be available this year, I guess. But as we talk here, and we can always give you more information if you write us via an email or whatever. And I hope this demo was interesting for you. So bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.